If you're looking to upgrade your home theater with clear sound, strong bass, and future-ready video support, the JBL MA510 AV receiver is a solid option worth considering. The link is in the description, so you can easily check current pricing and availability. This 5.2-channel receiver is designed for people who want immersive surround sound without dealing with complicated setups or confusing controls. Right out of the box, users appreciate how simple the on-screen setup is, guiding you step by step to connect speakers, TVs, and devices without stress. In real-world use, the sound quality stands out with clear dialogue for movies, punchy bass for action scenes, and balanced audio for music listening. Whether you're watching Netflix, gaming on a console, or streaming music from your phone, the audio feels clean and powerful at normal room volumes. The JBL MA510 supports Dolby and DTS formats, which means you get proper surround effects that make movies feel more engaging and realistic. Another feature users really like is the 8K video pass-through with eARC support, allowing smooth video and audio performance when paired with modern TVs and gaming consoles. Bluetooth and network streaming make it easy to play music wirelessly using Apple AirPlay 2 or Chromecast, which is great for casual listening or parties. The remote control is simple and responsive, and daily operation doesn't require constant adjustments once everything is set. For gamers, the low-lag HDMI support helps keep gameplay smooth and responsive.